you looking for how you can enjoy your peanut butter soup in different way or palm nut soup? I got you. When I was done with this recipe, I was in a hurry to share with you because it was so nice, tasty, delicious, flavorful, and healthy. In today's video, you will love this soup, trust me. If today is the first time here, this is Lena, and welcome to my kitchen. Welcome my returning ones. I have my fish here. I have seasoned it very well. If you want to know how I season my fish and then grill, please, I have the video on anywhere you're watching me. Okay, I have seasoned my cow feet as well. I'm just going to put this in the oven. Now I have my peanut butter here. I added some tomato paste, which I have all the recipe on my channel or my page. I have the tomato paste recipe. I have the peanut butter as well. I'll mix it very well, add some water, and then we can continue. We don't have the water recipe. That one is from God. That is just by the way. We are just going to leave it on fire and then stir it maybe every minute so that it will not burn. Now the things we place in the oven are ready and I have them in my cooking pot because they were very well seasoned. We are not going to add any season, okay, like pepper, ginger, garlic, nothing like that. So now I have my palm nut cream here. I added some water to it, allowed it to stay so that the particles can settle down. Now you can see the particles and we are going to discard that. Okay, they are sand and some things, so we will discard that. Leave this on fire. Actually, when you are preparing palm nut soup, this is how we go about. And I told you earlier, this soup is the combination of peanut butter soup, palm nut soup, and then kontomire. The kontomire is the same as the taro leaves or cocoyam leaves. Now, this is how the soup is looking. So delicious. And this was about only God knows. Yes, because of filming, we waste a lot of time on the video. Okay, yes. Now that is aside, as you can see in the video, is behind, and the peanut butter with the tomato paste, they are also ready here. We have some oil on top. You make sure you stir, you concentrate, okay, so that it does not burn. Now I have added some water to it to dilute it. Yeah, I'll put it that way so that we can continue. So when we are preparing peanut butter soup, or when I am preparing peanut butter soup, that is how I start with. Okay, now I will add that to the palm nut soup and then we can proceed. The one that I've set aside, I will be adding to the soup bit by bit till I add everything. I'll give it a stir and then allow it to be on fire. Hello my returning subscribers and followers, you are amazing. Thank you so much for always spending some of your time with me. And if you are new here, please do not forget to follow or subscribe for more videos. Do you know something? It is free. Thank you so much for doing it for me. Now I'll be adding my tomatoes, that is fresh tomatoes. I'll add my pepper and then some tiny onions I got from my garden. And they are very flavorful, okay, because it is organic, you know that. I've added some ginger I got from the garden as well, and I will leave my soup on fire, and after some few minutes I'll be with you. Now the ingredients are well cooked, so I'm going to remove them and then blend. I'm not going to blend all the peppers, okay. I will leave it in the soup, and when we are eating it and I want some, I will just mash it in. So when I'm done blending, I will get back to you. Please do well to follow us on all social media platforms at exhibiting mommy's recipes, and trust me, you will love it. If you want short videos, please follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Short. You will love it there as well. Now we are done blending everything. I'll go ahead and then add it to my soup and then give it a stir. I did not add any salt to the soup because of how I seasoned the fish and then the cow feet. So I will taste for the salt, and if the salt is okay, I'll just go ahead and continue. Okay, so when I tasted for the salt, it wasn't okay, so I've added my seasoning, and we will leave the soup on fire. Now the soup already tastes so good, and oh my goodness, very flavorful. I will then go ahead and add my kontomire. Yes, I got this from the garden, and I will add this to my soup bit by bit till I am done adding everything. Okay, yes, so that is what I'm doing. Have you liked the video already? If you haven't, please, what are you waiting for? A video, leave me your comments and then share to others. Thank you very much for doing it. So with this recipe, you can add any leaves of your choice. You can add spinach, okay, but I decided to add kontomire, and you can blend the kontomire and then add it to the soup instead of cutting it, okay, or you can blend the spinach and then add it to the soup. It has been on fire for some time, and then our soup looks so delicious already. By some few minutes to come, it should be ready. You can pair this with any food of your choice. I have added the herrings that we grilled earlier. Okay, I've added that to it as well, and we will leave it on fire so that the fish or the proteins will release their juices to the soup, and then that will add extra taste to the soup. Thank you so much. Now our soup looks so good, and just look at that. This was so nice, perfect, healthy, and very delicious. I hope you enjoyed the process from the palm nut soup to the peanut butter soup, mixing the two together and then adding the kontomire, the vegetables, the seasoning, and everything. And I hope you are going to try this recipe. Thank you so much for your time, and do not forget to take good care of yourself and eat healthy. See you in the next one. I love you. Bye bye.